Hi guys, Wilson with Anchors Away Travel. We are here at Zoetry Água Punta Cana All-Inclusive Resort. This is a very tranquil, chill resort. This is where you come if you want to truly disconnect and relax. Let me take you around so you guys can check it out. Hola. This is the lobby area here where you check in. It's the lobby bar. Hola. There's Kelly right there. Say hi, Kelly. She makes me do all her videos. As you can see, there's a sign for Zoetry. I mean, this is a really pretty property, guys. But like I mentioned, it's a place where you go to relax, unwind. Here's where you have your little boutique shops, your wedding showroom, Coco Cafe, which is a little coffee place. It's really, really cool in here. The lounge. Hola.
Hello.
As you can see, it's got a real zen feeling to it. And that's really the whole concept here. There's your swim out rooms. I mean, if you're coming here, like I mentioned earlier, you're not coming here for a party. I mean, I guess you can make one if you come with a few people. And they do have entertainment. But you're not going to get your typical DJ by the pool type situation here, for the most part anyway. Unless you're here with a group, a wedding group type of thing. I mean, this is really like a health and wellness type resort, I would say, in terms of just relaxing. And you do see it is off season here. I believe they said there is 90 or so suites. They are all suites. I did do a video earlier that you can check out, showing you one of those suites. Here's one of the restaurants here, Amaya. They have a little cigar shop right there.
That's it.
How you doing? Almost. Thank you. So he's ready to give me my cigar. So here's where they have, you know, I guess some group lunches, dinners. They also have dinner here. So the restaurant kind of changes between morning, you know, for breakfast, lunch, and then dinner. I mean, I'm probably not going to get a chance to show you the entire resort, guys, just so I don't make this video way too long. But I just want to give you a feel for how it is here. It's very different. We've been touring 7 or 8 different resorts this week, and each one of them has a different feel. Some of them are party resorts. Some of them are family resorts. Some are like the lap of luxury. I would say this is a luxury resort, but a resort that when you're done with your vacation, you're gonna feel great. Here's some of the guys taking care of the gardeners, taking care of the plants. Hola. So we're walking towards the beach now. It's an absolutely beautiful day. You know, if anyone who has concerns about the Dominican, don't have a concern. I mean, to each their own. Everyone has to make a decision for themselves, but this destination is our first time being here, and it's absolutely amazing. What makes the Dominican Republic and Punta Cana, where we are, without question, are the people. The people are just incredible. Some more swim outs. These are open. Even if you're not in those rooms, you can take a quick dip in here. Most people do stay to their area. Here's one of the main pools, just a great spot to hang out at. It's beautiful, right by the beach. Here's Indigo Restaurant. This is a lunch place, open from 12 to 5. They also do groups here. Hola. How you doing? It's a nice beach side restaurant. Speaking of the beach, what's better than this, guys? Unbelievable. It's absolutely beautiful. Infinity pool. They also have a cool little bar here that Kelly and I just went to. They make you your drinks with coconuts. Which is really neat. As a matter of fact, those are Kelly and I's coconuts. All right, heading back into the resort here, guys. So, in closing, Zoetry Água Punta Cana is just a special resort. It's nice, it's clean, zen-like, like I mentioned before, holistic. Just a great place to decompress and remove some of that stress you may have in your life. It's a small resort, but a nice resort. I believe when you come here, you get some complimentary spa services. You still have to pay for things like, you know, a full massage or couples massage, but you do get a 20-minute complimentary massage as part of your package. You know, and it is an all-inclusive, so you are able to eat and drink all within the price that you paid for your package. So if you're looking for a place to truly unwind, I think we found you the right place. Anyway, guys, Wilson with Anchors Away Travel, coming to you from Zoetry Água, Punta Cana. Please make it a great day. Like this video below if you do like it, and reach out to us at anchorsawaytravelri.com, or you can call Kelly at 401-338-9278. Again, Wilson with Anchors Away. Make it a great day.